We'll get there in a moment. Sorry, my dog is old and has pharyngeal nerve problems. Okay, so we'll record here pretty soon. And moving along, okay, so back to the PowerPoint. Okay, the uterine tube or the fallopian tube is collecting an egg, usually one egg from the ovary, and it moves into the infundibulum, which is the opening surrounded by fimbriae, and fertilization occurs in 12 to 24 hours in the fallopian tubes. Okay, I gotta go let my dog out. I'll be right back. Sorry, I'm back. So the uterus is where the egg will be nesting, and the uterus has various regions connected by ligaments held in place. It has the endometrium lines the cavity, myometrium is smooth muscle, perimetrium is the membrane around the uterus. So again, the eggs are produced in the ovaries. These little fingers help grab the egg, and the egg is moved to the infundibulum. The ampulla, and fertilization usually takes place in the uterine tube. So the fertilized egg will nest in the endometrium, or if there's no fertilization, the unfertilized egg is released and just as leaves the uterus, and no pregnancy occurs. So the menstrual cycle is about a month. The menses is the loss of the functional zone of the endometrium and can last 1 to 7 days. So the first phase is going to repair and allow new growth of the endometrium. The endocrine glands become active, and the uterine is prepared for the arrival of the fertilized egg. Menarche is the first menses. Menopause is when it stops. The vagina is a muscular tube between the external genitalia and the uterus. It's highly elastic, and it's blocked initially by the hymen. What's the vagina do? Allows for the evacuation of endometrium when there's no fertilization, receives the penis, holds semen, and also allows for a passage of the fetus for delivery at birth. So the external genitalia are called the vulva. So you should know the general labia minora, labia majora, and the clitoris. Okay, so here's the female external genitalia. I'll leave that to Hopefully that's self-knowledge. If you have questions, look it up, or maybe ask me a question. I think most of young ladies are familiar with this, and good luck. Well, let's go from there. So then we had the mammary glands, so let's stop there. Stop recording. Stop recording. Stop.